job, but I wanted to show you what I'm in the middle of doing right now. So I have a bag of dried Hatch, New Mexico chilies, the Sandia variety, and these are from last year's harvest. Some of them were smoked and dried, and some of them were just dried. And I am now de-stemming and de-seeding them. I have a bag of seeds that I've saved for next year. I am grinding them. First grind it up in this. It doesn't, however, get it as fine as I'd like. So then I will take it to my spice grinder, and that's what I've done for what you see here. So that's what we have so far. So then what I do is I bring it, the Ninja bullet over, and I put it in the spice grinder. And there we have it. Alright, so here's what we ended up with. It's about 2/3 of a quart. And all of these Sandia Hatch, New Mexico chili seeds for this next season. And I have a bunch of friends that are going to want some seeds from me too. And then these are ones that I wasn't too thrilled with what they look like when I open them up. And so I will crunch them up and send them out to the chickens. There's Mr. Cruz picking chilinos.
I'm not happy with these. Better seeds or something.
All right. Hi, bunnies. Hi, bunnies. I swear every time I think it's okay to clean out their coop of all the feathers, they drop a ton more. Hey girls, I brought you some chilies. Come on. Alright. We'll go give some. Of course, they wait till I leave to come run. Alright, how about you guys? You guys want some? That's Hondo. He said absolutely. Bring some on over. I know. Here we go, Hondo. You guys look like you've already eaten up all your goodies I brought you today. Alright. How about you, RC? How about you, RC and girls, huh? Alright. How about you, McClintock? Yeah. Alright. Alright. Hey, girls. Hey, girls. Hey, girls, hey. Here you go. Alright, have at it. You can have all those seeds. She says, okay. Okay, yummy. Alright. So there we go. Pretty exciting on the amount we got. I use them for the chili powder for chili and different recipes. I have a homemade rub that is amazing on pork that I use it on, and it's always great when I can do it from the chilies that I grow and not have to buy the chili powder in the store, because who knows where that comes from. At least I know this one comes straight from my yard. So All right. Until the next time, peace out. And we will bring another video in a day or two. All right. Ooh, look at, we got them storm clouds rolling in again. Let me see this way. Oh yeah. We'll take it. All right.